Hi everyone, this is the last video for problem M-4B. This is part 8 where we record the closing entries on page 6 of the combination journal. So we're going to go ahead and get the journal ready before we begin with anything else. So we have the closing entries. And remember the acronym, we close revenue to income summary. So in this case, our revenue is lawn care fees. And then we have income summary, so we're closing our expenses. So we have wages expense, rent expense. Let's make it easy on ourselves and just copy from the income statement that we've already created. Just again, less typing we have to do. Okay, so I'm going to make that a little bigger. Then we're closing income summary to capital. And then closing the drawing account to capital. Oops. So now we're going to go into and get the account numbers. So we have 401. Income summary is 313. If you scroll down, you'll find 313. So I'm going to make life easy on myself. Excuse me. Life easy on myself. And go ahead and enter that in again. Okay, now we're going to list the expense accounts. Let's see, expense accounts always are in the 520 because they are part of the last type of accounts that we use. So office supplies expense is 523. Lawn care supplies expense is 524. See, insurance expense, I'm going to go ahead and enter that so I don't have to keep scrolling. Depreciation. Okay, so let's go back up. Phone expense. Repairs, 537. Gas and oil is 538. Okay, so our lawn care fees is at $6,043. So we'll finish that income summary amount after we take the expense amounts. Again, I'm just copying and pasting to save ourselves time. So we're going to use Excel to do the math. Okay, again, I'm going to change the font. Okay, the drawing was 900. And we'll have to wait to see what the last transaction amount will be. So we have to post this information into the general ledger. So the first one is lawn care. We're going to close our lawn care fees. So on the 30th, we're closing. $6,043. Make sure you enter that it's going to be a 0. Scroll up to income summary. June 30th, closing, we're going to credit $6,043. The next part is we're going to close income summary for $3,115. 30th, it's a closing. Let's go ahead and do the math. So that's $2,928. And so that's what we know our last amount is going to be on the journal. $2,928. Okay. So let's go ahead and close out the expense accounts. Again, nothing new here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I go ahead and close out the expense accounts. Okay, so now that the expense accounts are are closed out, we're going to close income summary. So on the 30th, closing $2,928. Okay. Oops. Here we go. So we got to put it in on the 30th. Closing. So we're going to credit $3,115, which gives us $8,115. And then we're closing the drawing account. So $7,215. And so now we need to finally close the drawing account. And that is all there is to that problem. I know it is a lot. So if you have any questions on that problem, let me know and have a great day.